Hi, my name's Kim and I'm here at KCM Clinic for my summer group trip. Today I'm sitting with one of my patients, Grace, just before she gets discharged. Grace. Sorry. Grace arrived on Monday and had her surgery yesterday. So we're just going to ask Grace how things went. How did you find the experience?
Amazing, to be honest.
Yeah.
Really, really good. Yeah.
And what did you have?
So I had my breast implants removed.
Okay.
And an uplift.
For any particular reason or?
Just because I'd had them in for like 17 years, which is way over.
Wow.
And I never liked them to start with.
Yeah.
They were way too big and I had backache and all sorts, and I just wanted them out and to be done with it.
Be natural.
And just,
So
not
I don't have to worry about anything,
again to put them back in, to get them removed again. So. Yeah.
And I see some extra bandages on the eyes.
I thought I'd go with a little extra whilst I'm here, so I just got my upper eyelids.
Yeah, looking great. Well. Yeah, healing very well.
Yeah.
And the doctor come to see you afterwards and done some checks and had a look.
Yep. She is very vigilant. She doesn't mess around.
Yeah.
If there's something not quite right with your health, she won't do the treatment, which I found really good.
And she made sure you had lots of pre-op tests beforehand and some breast ultrasound.
They covered everything to make
full
sure.
MOT. Yeah. And she showed us some photos of after when she removed the implants.
Yeah.
Crazy
so there
to
was
see.
Kind of like a residue. She said the implants I had were the best ones you can get.
They were Mentor, so really good brand,
But I think because they'd been in for so long, they kind of left some sort of residue.
Yeah, you had a capsule that had formed over them, which is really common.
Yeah.
But she's removed all that successfully.
Yeah.
Took away some scar tissue.
Yeah.
And nice and natural now.
So I have nothing
left, nothing to worry about.
Natural is the best way. Accept yourself for who you are.
And
though I've gone and done
I know.
But...
How did you find KCM? Like, how did you manage to come across me?
So my mother-in-law did all the research for me, which was amazing. She'd been recommended by a friend as well.
Yeah.
And initially I was like, it's Poland, it's abroad.
You asked all the right questions. There was many conversations.
I did ask quite a few questions.
You asked me every question possible, which is fine because you need to feel confident.
Yeah. She and my mother-in-law got her eyes done in January, and she said how amazing it was and her experience was great.
Yeah.
And the results were amazing. So
amazing.
I went off that basically. But if I wouldn't have done it without a recommendation, just because you have no idea what to expect.
Yeah.
But since now doing it, I would highly recommend it to anyone in the UK.
And how did you find? Obviously, Debbie, your mother-in-law, she came in January on my winter group trip.
Yeah.
And then obviously we had to put a summer one together because Debbie was adamant she was coming back. I was like, oh goodness. So we had it planned before we even left the last time.
Yeah.
How did you find the experience just being with, you were in the transfer with 5 other patients all on the same flight?
Yeah.
And then how did you find like me popping in to see you?
Amazing. Just the fact that knowing you were there massively
just upstairs,
helped.
Yeah.
I was, when Debbie wasn't sure if she was going to make it.
Yeah.
Obviously I did panic, but knowing that you were going to be there, I probably still would have gone ahead with it.
It's good, And what about the nurses and things? Like I know like we're in a different country and some of them speak better English than others, but how did you find it overall?
I can tell that they genuinely care.
Yeah,
which
they
is
do.
So
they
nice.
do in their own way, and they try to communicate with you the best they can, but they definitely understand, pain, toilet, things like that.
I'd say they're 10 times better than the NHS in the UK, if I'm allowed to say that.
Yeah.
I mean, they genuinely actually care, which is
they
nice.
Do.
And they're really nice people.
Yeah. And you're staying at the Zeppelin, which we only started working with about a year ago. You wouldn't have known that we used, we still use another hotel, but it's further out. How do you find literally being on the doorstep?
Really handy, I wouldn't want to stay
anywhere else.
Yeah, because it's just nice to know you can just walk across the road.
I know.
Every day to get that's an amazing thing as well. The aftercare is amazing. I don't think you get that in the UK. I don't think I ever did when I had them.
Because you had your breasts in the UK?
I didn't actually. I had them in Spain.
Oh, okay.
But my friends and things have had things done
in the UK.
They have not travelled back.
And to have checkups?
Yeah.
So you'll be seen every day?
Yeah.
Even on Sunday, and you'll be seen again before you go home on Monday. The doctor came and saw you last night after the surgery. Yeah, she had a feel and everything was good.
Yeah.
And then when you're home, you're in contact with us
Yeah.
We can set up video consultations and things with the doctors, and then you can always come back. Everybody's entitled to a 1 year, free checkup. Some people don't come, but if you're, coming back again or coming for a trip, then they're always welcome to come and have everything checked over. Well, I think that's everything.
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you recommend KCM?
Definitely, yeah.